Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this easy granny square headband. For the materials, I used 3 different colors, all 100% acrylic 4-ply yarn, 3mm crochet hook, scissors and stitch markers. To begin, make a magic ring. Insert the hook inside the magic ring like this. Chain 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's your first double crochet, and you can mark it with a stitch marker to keep track of your work. Now make more 2 double crochet inside the magic ring. Chain 2, 3 double crochet inside the magic ring again. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet inside the magic ring. Chain 2, again. Those chaining 2, they're creating your corners. Make sure you have a total of 4 corners. Now remove the stitch marker, slip stitch on top of that first double crochet to join. Chain 1 to close your work, and you can cut out the yarn. Second round, make a slip knot. You can start in any corner of your choice. Chain 1, make 3 double crochet in this corner, make your first stitch, and just make sure you are bringing your yarn tails. Three double crochet into the second corner. Once you made 3 double crochet, now chain 2, 3 more double crochet inside this corner. Do the same thing into the next 2 corners. Now you have to complete this first incomplete corner. Make the last 3 double crochet into that first corner. Chain 2, slip stitch to join on top of the first double crochet stitch to complete your corner. Chain 1 to close your work, and you can cut off the yarn. Next, we are going to join them. They are only consisting of 2 rounds. These other ones I have done them off camera, and there are 6 in total. To join them, make a slip knot and you can use any yarn color of your choice. Start in any corner of your choice. The method we are going to use is crochet as you go, joining method. Make 3 double crochet inside this magic ring, inside this first corner. Three double crochet into the next space. Three double crochet into the next corner. Make 3 double crochet inside this corner. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet inside this corner. Three double crochet into the next space. And just repeat the same thing in this corner. Do the same thing all the way until you reach this corner. In this last corner, just make 3 double crochet like I did, chain 1, then you work, because next you are going to attach your second granny square. Yarn over and just make sure your granny squares are facing the same side. Into any corner of the second granny square, remove the hook, insert it into this first stitch like this, like that. Make another double crochet into this corner, remove the hook, into the next stitch, again more double crochet, remove the hook, into the next stitch. Now more 3 double crochet into this next space by slip stitching into stitches of the first granny squares. Just don't skip any stitch for this first granny square. And keep releasing the hook before you slip stitch. There are 3. Now make 3 double crochet into this corner. your work must be start to look like this. Chain 1, make 3 double crochet into this second granny square without attaching it to this other granny square. To complete your corner. Now continue working around this second granny square all around like this. Then once you reach this corner, just make 3 double crochet in here, chain 1, then attach the third granny square the same way you have attached this granny square to this granny square. Chain 1, turn your work. Now you have to attach the third granny square, yarn over like this. You can start in any corner and just make sure your granny squares are facing the same side. Always you must start into this first stitch and place 3 double crochet into the first corner before you move on to the next space. And onto this completed granny square, do not skip any stitch. Chain 1, then just repeat the process until you have fully attached all your granny squares. Then I'll meet you to show you the next step. So once you are done attaching all your granny squares, next in this last corner, chain 2, make the last 3 double crochet into that same corner to complete your corner, and continue working across the edges of all granny squares. I'll meet you to show you how I will join here. In this space, just make 3 double crochet, 3 more double crochet in this corner. Just remember that your corners were incomplete. Now it's time to complete them. Chain 1, slip stitch in between your chain here, chain 1, 3 more double crochet into this second granny squares corner, and just continue doing that all the way. At the end here, chain 2, slip stitch to join into this first double crochet stitch, chain 1, and you can cut off the yarn. To make the strap, make a slip knot. You can use any yarn color of your choice and just start in the second chain 2 here. Remember your corners have 2 chains. Now you must start into one of them. Chain 1, make a double crochet into that same chain, mark it with a stitch marker to keep track of your work. Double crochet into this chain 1 space again, and continue making double crochet in each stitch until you reach the second chain on the other side. Chain 1, turn your work. Now you are going to decrease, and remember that turning chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into this very first stitch from the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all loops, and you can mark that as your first stitch. Now continue making normal double crochet in each stitch until the second last stitch, so you can decrease again. Yarn over, insert the hook into this second last stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, remove the stitch marker, insert it into that last stitch, yarn over, pull through 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, chain 1, turn your work. Now you have to do the same thing to decrease again. The decrease should be done on both sides, and just continue decreasing until you have only 2 stitches left, so it can look like the other side. This one I have done it off camera, so just continue decreasing until you have 2 stitches left. Now since you have the last 2 stitches left, now just continue making normal double crochet without decrease 10 times.